Why you're still broke. The 5 financial truths no one told you. Let me ask you something. Why is it that you work hard, yet your bank balance stays the same? Or worse, keeps going down? Yeah, we've all been there. You open your bank app and whisper to yourself, where the heck did all my money go? Well, what if I told you it's not your fault? It's the system you were never taught to understand. Hey there, I'm sharing the 5 financial truths that nobody teaches in school, but everyone wishes they learned 10 years earlier. Stick with me till the end, because truth number 5 is the one keeping most people broke, even those earning 6 figures. I'm not saying hustle 24/7, but you better know what your hour is worth. Imagine if you valued each hour at just $10. You'd be losing $3,650 a year doing nothing. That's a business class flight to anywhere in the world. If you save alone will never make you rich you need, and you can say the knowing the time. They told us to save, stack your coins, be frugal, but nobody told us about inflation. Your money is literally losing value while you sleep. The goal isn't to save to death, the goal is to grow. Even a basic investment strategy beats a savings account in the long run. Unless your financial plan includes stuffing cash into socks, we need to talk about smarter strategies. This one hurts, but hear me out. If you're earning the same every month and nothing's changing, it's probably because you aren't changing. Learn a skill that solves a real problem, like editing, writing, design, even AI tool usage, and the market will pay you more. You don't get paid for your time, you get paid for your value. Debt can be a trap or a tool. Credit cards, student loans, buy now, pay later, we're drowning in them. But not all debt is bad. Good debt builds assets. Bad debt builds stress. Before you swipe next time, ask, is this making me richer or just making me look rich? Truth number 5. Lifestyle creep will keep you broke. This is the silent killer. You get a raise, and suddenly you want the latest iPhone, dine out more, upgrade your life. And just like that, your expenses grow with your income. You're earning more, but saving less. That's not growth, that's the illusion of success. Want to be wealthy? Live like you're broke for just one more year, then invest like you're already rich. Act 3, the wrap-up and call to action. Here's the truth. No school, no job, and no government is going to teach you how to build wealth. It's up to you. But you're not alone. Every week here on Money Stack, I'm giving you tools, tips, and strategies to grow your income, master your money, and stack real wealth, the kind that buys freedom. And no, not the kind that just buys 17 hoodies from Instagram ads. So if this video opened your eyes even a little, hit subscribe, tap the bell, and drop a comment below saying, let's stack it, so I know you're serious about change. This is just the beginning, and in the next video, I'm showing you 5 actual online income ideas that work in 2025, even if you're starting with $0. You ready? Let's stack it.